Say holding. Really? Hold it. Are you doing your old man? Num num num. Are you doing your old man tongue thing? Blah blah blah. You guys are highly entertaining today. Yeah. Oh. Yes, but can you say mama? Can you say mama mama? No? Working on it? Can you say pa 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 pa? Can you say pa 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 pa? Papa? No? No? Can you laugh? Ha 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 ha. Yeah, you can laugh. You can laugh. And kick your feet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, electricity through your body. So exciting. So cute. Whoa. Are we gonna go to the beach today? We are gonna go running on the beach. Running, running, running. Moving the feet. Oddly, you look vaguely, out of it. Yeah. Kicking, kicking, kicking. Until you hit the wall. In which time you go to sleep. So cute. Alright, we're gonna go to the beach in a little while. We're gonna go to the beach. See you later.